Hi CSE takers, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's answer this given problem. The question is, 45 is 3/5 of what number? Okay? So, paano nga ba natin i-translate yung given natin into a mathematical equation? So guys, ganito lang kadali yan. So first, let's write 45. Okay? So 45. And yung is, guys, ibig sabihin equals. So 45 equals, then write another given which is 3/5. Pag sinabing of, which means multiplication, so times. And what number? Okay, so meaning, we represented by the variable which is n na lang. Ayan. So, eto na yung equation natin, guys. Actually, pwede natin isolve to in two ways, no? Okay, sige. Ipapakita natin yung two ways na yon. So, the first solution muna. So, guys, ito, pwede natin i-multiply ito. Okay, so sa algebra, ito ay minumultiply 3/5 times n. So, this becomes 3n/5. Okay? And then, since we're looking for n, unknown kasi yon, so magko-cross multiplication product tayo dito. Yan. Okay. So, multiply natin yan. Kapag whole number, guys, huwag kayong kakabahan. Over 1 palagi yan. Okay. So, 3n times 1, that is equal to 3n. Right? Equals 45 times 5, that is equal to, very good, 225. Okay. So, 225. So, it's not yet done. Okay. Kahit nakita natin to sa given natin, I mean sa options natin, isa sa mga options, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi we still have numerical coefficient of the variable n. So, ang goal natin mawala yan. Okay. By the division property of equality, so divide all terms by 3. Okay. Very good. Ayan. And then, kakancel out natin ngayon yung 3, no? Kasi 3/3 is equal to 1. 1n or n na lang. So, therefore, n is equal to 225 divided by 3. Very good. The answer is 75. So, therefore, sagot natin ay 75, which is option letter A. Okay? So, this is the first solution. So, yung second solution natin, guys, ito yon. So, isulat natin yung equation natin. 45 equals 3/5 times n. Okay, so para mawala, ang goal kasi natin dito, guys, dapat wala tayong fraction dito. Okay? So, meaning, lahat ng terms na yan ay imumultiply natin by 5. Baka tanungin nyo ko, sir, bakit tayo magmumultiply ng 5? Okay. So, sa mga nakakalimot, para mawala ito, at kasi 5 yung denominator natin. Okay? So, kung ano yung nandyan sa denominator, dyan yung siya i-multiply. All terms, no? Okay. So, guys, dito pwede tayo mag-cancel out. Pwedeng ganito, 5 times 3, 15. Divided by 5, 3 pa rin naman. Or we can easily cancel out, right? Okay. Gets? So, 5 times 45. Very good. 225. And then, 3 times n is 3n. So, again, we have numerical coefficient of the variable n. So, what do? Very good. By the division property of equality, divide all terms by 3, right? Okay. And then, ang gagawin natin dyan, cancel out yung 3 natin. So, we left by variable n. Okay. So, it doesn't matter if our variable is on the right side or on the left side. Walang problema doon. So, 225 divided by 3, the answer is 75. So, see guys, magkaiba tayo ng solution, pero we come up with the same answer. Pero guys, kung saan kayo mas nadadalian, dun kayo. Okay? So, this is the end of our video. I hope na meron kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching.